everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started!
Singable Words!
The word is accommodate. Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Accommodate is to make room for, to adapt oneself. It doesn't mean to disarrange, to hinder, or to disrupt.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Fit, adjust, get used to.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Limit, unsuit, disturb.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the hotel manager always feel so proud of the pillow? Because it could accommodate anyone's dreams without even being awake. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
The swimming pool can accommodate only 20 people.
Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
I like Singable Words because it's really fun, and even if it's 4th grade words and it's a little hard to understand, she puts some Disney clips and it helps me a lot. Singable Words!